Hello friends, this video on nutrition in plants part 1 is brought to you by Kirby Education. Asipinil dumi than pampula ke class 7 NCERT Science Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plant. So topic to be covered in this chapter are: what are nutrients? What is nutrition? Modes of nutrition, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. What is the photosynthesis? Here you will get terms like chlorophyll, cell, stomata, etc. Okay, next come synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. Importance of photosynthesis. Other modes of nutrition in plants like saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiosis, and special mode. And the last topic in this chapter is nutrients back to soil. So now we will try to understand the term nutrients. Components of food which are needed by our body are nutrients. So this you have got in your previous class that some of the components of food are needed by our body like carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. So these are the nutrients. So our body needs these nutrients for different purpose. Let's see components of food putamlo prodante lake anarlo ke doku pipi hormu lahai pansi putampo. Let's see angton hormu madle angton a composition angton a components ambale itumpan kenang sot kali. An chulo prodante an long ke do ason an ke itumpan kenang sot lepu kali itum a okopan. Lasi itum a okopan ko pipi ason si itum an long pen ke long ason kenang sot ma khalaya pansi nutrients polo. So nutrients example lahelo major nutrients itum pan kenang sot a nutrients lahelo an along kido laki carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, lapen ke minerals. Lasi lahai itum kenang sot laki ason kaprika pan puda monang carbohydrates laki jakong pan lo ason kasi fats late isi jakong nang kipi pan lo protein laki e ok e bang e kipati pan lo lasi lapan ke body building food polo vitamin laki kisupen ka pacing rai pan lo lapan sona kasi minerals lata e ok e kipambe pan lo. So some of the examples of some sorts of carbohydrates I have given here. This pictures like bread, rice, all these are the and noodles. These are the example of carbohydrates rich food. So na si putamang fats putamang telak atru hormone, butter, fish, cooking oil, laki fats source lo. Ta laki putam laki lahai long pen itum fats long pen po. So na si protein talang nam lo betong laki meat, fish, egg, lasan bang po, bean lahai lo, milk lahai long laki itum protein long pen po. So protein laki betamon e bang ekipate main is for body building and repairs of cell. Non laki nutrition. Nutrition to pipansi ki pudam lo. Nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption, utilization by the body. So nutrition is the process. Like isi a process, isi akam lepudam lang isi a process. So process long akam ang deng kupipilo like taking of food. Taking of food. Kichu. An kichu. An chu that pen lasua an kapang jir. E or lo lasuan kapang jir. Lasuan ing jir that pen kapang sip. E or kapang sip lasu an ing sipo. Lain sip da sila suan itumpan akam pawang po akam paklempo si use po utilization sila ang tona process la ang tona step opran si da so process pangrumpe da pansi nutrition. So it is the process, okay, it is the process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption and utilization by the body. So when the food is taken, the food must be digested. So after digestion, it will be absorbed. So what does this digestion mean? Digestion means we will get in our later chapter. So digestion is breakdown of food. The food eaten cannot be absorbed directly. It must be digested So it must be broken into the simpler substance, which we call it digestion. So this digested food, the digested food must be absorbed. This absorbed food is again transported to, assimilated to different part of the body and reach its cell. So the food is finally utilized in the cell. So that is what we call utilization. So the whole process is what we call nutrition. So now come modes of nutrition. So when we say modes of nutrition, there are two modes of nutrition, like autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. So now in the later section we will try to know this autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition one by one. Autotrophic nutrition. So the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide, water and mineral present in the surrounding is called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition pudam laki amethang simple substance used pen amethang a ok arlusi an kachisela a ok arlusi an kachitun la phansi autotrophic nutrition. So la autotrophic nutrition of materials mate hormu kinangi lake lalo carbon dioxide laki isia tumon lo lapen aku water lapen ki kapre minerals laita nutrients or mineral nutrients lo pon niliponika lo lapen aku water. So la carbon dioxide water lapen mineral la hai hormu pensi latum aan jutun panpo la selangtum koson sila suan kachutun pon ma lake niltum bo later section long panpo next section long panpo lake photosynthesis in the section photosynthesis long panpo. So now what you have to understand is the term autotrophic nutrition. In the autotrophic nutrition, the organism makes its own food in their body, inside their body, not outside their body. The food is not prepared outside their body. The food is prepared inside their body by using the simple substance like carbon dioxide, water and mineral. So which is obtained from the surrounding. So that is what we call autotrophic nutrition. So organisms having autotrophic mode of nutrition are what we call autotrophs. Okay, so when the organism have autotrophic mode of nutrition, we call the organisms autotrophs. For example, all green plant starting from the microscopic algae to the huge tree. So all the green plants are autotrophs because they are able to prepare their food, because they are able to synthesize their own food. Sila all green plant angton la akilir athingpi anke autotrophs lo la bab pen ha thingpi akethi an. So next, heterotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains ready-made food prepared by green plant either directly or indirectly is called heterotrophic nutrition. Kiputam lapulo heterotrophic nutrition pumangke mode of nutrition latum an kachulong laki hongpen koson lo lasu an thingpi thingprang latum ka selam an si directly or indirectly latum chubon po lasu mode of nutrition of hansi heterotrophic nutrition latum an kachulong laki directly or indirectly from plant latum ka selam an si latum chudun po lapula. So lake heterotrophic nutrition. Examples are like animals like cow, horse, human being and mushroom. Okay, so organisms having heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs. So when the organism obtain their food through heterotrophic mode of nutrition, the organism is called heterotroph. Kasi la hong pen an kachulong atuma pia pan an either directly or indirectly lahaya pipan ke heterotrophs pula. Example I have given here, animals and other non-green plants. There are also some plants which are not green in color, so they obtain their food like this mushroom. They obtain their food through heterotrophic mode. Okay, so hope you understood. So today's class is up to here. So see you in the next class. Stay safe. Bye bye.